Did you know a man can spend years mastering how to defeat people and slowly forget they were people at all? He walks through the burial ground at dusk. Rows of markers stretch into the mist. These were his enemies. He fought them. He won. He tries to remember a face. He cannot. What comes back instead is the gap in a guard, the half second before a strike landed, the way one man's left knee buckled when he moved forward. Techniques, patterns, weaknesses, not a single name, not a single pair of eyes. He never chose this. He never woke one morning and decided other lives no longer mattered. It happened the way fog fills a valley, quietly, completely, without a single moment you could point to and say, there, that is where it began. This is the warning no master ever speaks aloud. Discipline sharpens the mind, but without the will to see others as fully human, even mastery becomes a slow erasure of everything it was meant to protect. Follow Silent Resolve for more anime life lessons.